How to change the disk driver to Virtio or IDE in SolusVM. Change the disk driver to Virtio or IDE only before installing the operating system. But if you change it after installing the OS, it will show an error that the disk is not found or a similar error. Log into your SolusVM control panel and go to the Settings tab of the VPS. Click to open the drop-down list for disk driver and select the disk driver you wish to use. Your operating system will use this selected disk driver for installation or reinstallation. Click to reboot for the changes to take effect. Success! You now know how to change the disk driver to Virtio or IDE in SolusVM. Thank you for watching.